Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 KTM Adventure 1190R. This is a really cool adventure bike, loaded with extra features. Only 45,000 miles, beautiful condition. It's got the guards over the headlamp, really nice engine guard, Touratech rock guard down below. It's got special foot pegs. It's got the KTM locking luggage, ABS brakes, heated electric grips. This thing is decked out. It's got trip computer, 6-speed, fuel injected, twin cylinder 1190. Come on by. Make your KTM Adventure R dreams come true for just $69.99. This is the one you've been waiting for. Come on by. She won't be here long. It also has a quick release tank bag that comes with the bike. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.